Man, it's day 12, man. Damn. Day 12. Count down. I might start me a, well, nah, cause I ain't gonna get home until late. It's hard for me to do anything, man, with that. You know what I'm saying? With doing stuff. You know what I'm saying? After you get out of work, like, it's hard to do anything. Like second job type. But anyway, man, y'all know what's going on, man. Hit them links. Excuse me, I'm gonna have some new links for y'all soon. On the Amazon affiliate links that I know y'all can use. Hit the likes. All I'm asking for is 100 likes. That's all I'm asking for. 100 likes. 75, I ain't gonna be mad, but 100 is what I want. Comment and share, man. That's all I need. But yeah. Headed in. I'm late. I'm super late. I don't know why my alarm clock didn't go out there, and I don't know why I didn't wake up. I don't know why. Usually I be up. I don't know what happened. I'm getting old. Man. I guess that's what it is. But yeah, I already let them know what's up, so I'm heading in now. Oh boy, man, I just wanna. Alright. Come on with it, lottery. Come on with it, something, man. Don't quit. Don't quit. Don't quit. Don't quit. Hey, y'all, don't quit. It's coming. Whatever it is, it's coming, man. Whatever is coming, man, is gonna set y'all free. It's coming. Boy, I feel like I'm being tested, boy. And I ain't studied, obviously. But we gonna get that right, though. We ain't gonna worry about it. We gonna get that right. So, let me head on up to this job, man. Good morning to all y'all, man. Day 12. And, get us some videos, man. Try to get it uploaded at a adequate time. And yeah. I can't get hit me back yesterday either. Can't get on there. Let me get on up and get this truck. Yo, what's happening? Back, man. Back at the house. And man, I said I'm gonna come in here and do a MayRose video, man. I was looking at some stuff the other day, and I was looking at some stuff, and I had to call Alan, man. I was like, man, Alan, man, what you think about this? Blah, 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 blah. He was like, nah, don't do that. So, and then I was like, well, I got this right here. He was like, well, if you do that, this got to come off. So, I was like, all right. So, what we spoke about was the fuel system setup on MayRose, right? So, The setup, the new setup that's going with this bad boy. Let me see. That's going with that bad boy. And them heads I got in the car. Them 243s y'all seen. It's gonna require a fuel regulator. Turn the light on. It's gonna require a fuel regulator. So I was trying to see how I needed to do this. Can't put it over there. I gotta figure out where to mount my fuel regulator. So I may mount it here somewhere, like right up in here somewhere. That way, I don't know. I may mount it here. But what I was thinking about was changing my whole fuel line setup. I was thinking about changing all that to the I forgot what you call it, but it's just the line that you push the fittings down off in it. I forgot what it's called. Hold on, let me look at my Amazon because I had searched it. Type this. It's a hose. I forgot what type of hose it was. Socketless hose. So with socketless hose, you buy some socketless fittings that got birds on them, and you just push them down off in there, and they won't come back out. I was thinking about doing that, and I was also thinking about going. Well, I was asking Island Man, should I go up in my hose size? So I got 6 in on here now. I was like, should I go up 8? Should I go 10? He was like, no, I got 6 on my car. He got a turbo on his car, so you know what I'm saying? I was just trying to make sure that I wasn't starving for fuel. And I was trying to see why I be burning up them fuel pumps, which I added bigger wire to the fuel pump now. So I'm gonna see how long that lasts. And what else? What else I asked him? Oh, I asked him that, and I was talking to him about the fuel pressure regulator. And I'm definitely need a fuel pressure regulator, but I got the Corvette regulator on here now. So he said that if I put the fuel regulator on there, the Corvette regulator gonna have to come off. So I'm gonna put that on. I'm gonna take the Corvette regulator off. So what it look like about to happen is I'm finna have to change the hosing, the plumbing anyway. I'm finna have to change it anyway. So I might have to get all new fittings and all that good stuff. So I gotta see how that stuff work. But I think I'm gonna mount the regulator here somewhere right up in here. Or here. As long as it clear my hood, I don't really care. Mount it right here. Man, what's that? It's kind of out the way. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. And plus, it's close to my my fuel rail. You know what I'm saying? It's close to that because it plugs in on this side. So, mount that right here. It ain't got far for that hose to go right over there. I can route it how I want to route it or whatever, and let it go over there. I'll probably route it back behind this or something. Back behind these brake lines so that it won't be just cutting across like that. I just mount it this way, do it like that. Also, my setup is going to require me to have another tank set up. I'm not gonna tell you what kind of tank, but this right here is gonna be the perfect spot for it. I'm not gonna tell you what the tank is for. I ain't gonna tell you what the tank for. But it's gonna be a tank. It's gonna have to go right here. So let your imagination run wild with that. Another tank is gonna be right here. Fuel regulator gonna be here. And I'm gonna have to change all that plumbing. And the Corvette
regulator has to come off. That socketless hose is not cheap. That shit is high. That shit like, I think $100 something for 20 feet. I need more than 20 feet. You know what I'm saying? I need shit. With the regulator, I'm gonna need at least, cause I think it's 2 or 3 lines that come off of the regulator. I think maybe 2 lines, something like that. But I don't know how that. I looked at it, but I don't exactly know how it's set up. But I know I'm gonna need more than 20 feet, so I'm gonna spend $200 on hose because I really don't like these. These are cool, like they're good, but I've already had one pop on me. You know what I'm saying? And I think it was because maybe it bagged out. You know what I'm saying? We're making them lines like that with the AN fittings and all that. We're making them and twisting the fittings on. Like I think they actually come out some a little bit. I don't know, but I just want to be safe, bro. I don't want my car to be burnt all up because the fuel line pop and leaking gas and all that. Like I don't want that to be going on. So you know what I'm saying? Like I'ma just try another alternative into getting those right. You know what I'm saying? Cause I don't want no smoke with it. What else? The tank gonna be here. I'm gonna get rid of that reservoir right there. I'm put me another little reservoir right there. Some, you know what I'm saying, some a little more sleek looking. You know what I'm saying? Some a little more sleek. So I ain't gotta be worrying about that. Like that's kind of big and clumpy and cloppy looking and goofy looking. So I'm gonna get rid of that for sure. Like that's gone. That's finna go. I just gotta find one that I like. What else? I think that's it. I can't wait to get this motor out so I can put these clamshells on here. Wherever they at, they somewhere around here. Put them on so I ain't gotta worry about none of the other stuff. The bolts coming out of the motor mounts and all that shit, and you know what I'm saying, it might even sit my motor different. I'm pretty sure it's gonna sit my motor different so that I have a little space to work back there. You know what I'm saying? It's probably gonna sit my motor up a little bit, and that'll be cool. I'm gonna put some links up soon. As soon as I get the item in my possession. It's something for the transmission. I'm gonna get a link up for those, and I think it's some tools also. I'm gonna get the link up for those as soon as I get them in my possession. I got some new coil brackets in the cart. They gotta get here. AC stuff. I think I need an office tube. I ain't sure. I gotta take that line off and see, cause I don't think I put that office tube in there. So I gotta take that off to see if I need an office tube. If not, because I think one came with the kit, but I'm not sure. With that kit that I bought with the dryer and all that stuff, I think, but I'm not sure. But yeah, so the compressor is wired, but ain't no freon in it, so it ain't gonna come on. What else? I think that's about it, man. You know what I'm saying? I just really want to keep y'all in the loop of what's going on, but man, y'all yeah, that little space right there occupied, right? I mean, it's spoken for right there. So we're gonna have some fun this year, man. As soon as I get this thing to how it need to be, man, we're gonna have us some fun in this car. I wish I knew how to take this ABS stuff off, because I don't need it, but all of my brake lines are connected to that, so I don't know what I need to do to take that off, but we ain't gonna worry about that. They can stay as long as it won't, as long as it don't get in my way. When I find somebody to take it off and know what they doing about it, then I'll be okay with that. But yeah, I think that's about it, man. Reservoir, tank, fuel pressure regulator, new hoses, new fittings, all that stuff gonna be coming soon. We're gonna start on this thing. I might not, well, you know what, I might not do it until I put the motor back in. But yeah, so far so good with everything, man. I'm just, like I said, man, I'm getting myself back in stride to go and do what I need to do. I'm finna get Christmas out the way, and then we finna go straight into it. So, whew, that was a lot. That was definitely a lot. I'm gonna check that one day. Should have checked today, but I ain't. I wanna see if the orifice tube in there, cause I don't know what I did with it. Have to order another one, if not. But yeah, I haven't talked to Jazz, but I think I'm gonna do something different with my I'm gonna do something with my rear deck. Different. I'm gonna do something a little different with that. I gotta get my materials for the dash and get these heads sent off. I got a little work to do, but it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Cause we finna yeah, it's finna be good. Don't worry about it. It's gonna be good. So with that being said, man, I done came over here, spilled the beans, told y'all, you know what I'm saying, what I got going on, what I got planned. So that being said, man, y'all make sure y'all check those links, man. Even if you don't buy what's linked, please check the link, hit the links, man, and let it send you to Amazon so you can go and do what you need to do. Likes, man, 100 likes. 100 likes, man. 75 won't be mad, but 100 is what we're going for. Comment, subscribe, share. Tell somebody else. And I think that's it, man. So I'm checking out, man, with another video. And I see y'all tomorrow.